Hi, I'm Ellie and welcome to O Couple Haberdashery. If you're new here, this is my quilting business. I travel to quilt shows around the country and I video my life and my events to share on my channel. Okay, so these are the ones I got free with something, I don't know. So it says to cut my fabric 8.5 inches wide, put it right sides together, and I've cut off 2 triangles because I had a few scraps, so, and then pin it where there's no lines. They recommend as well shortening your stitch length to 1.5. I guess that makes more perforations in the paper and maybe it's easier when you come to tearing it off. I'm actually quite excited to see how this is going to turn out. It could be the biggest disaster ever, but you never know. It might be like, what do you call it? That thing on the road to Damascus. Maybe not that. You know, when you when you have like a eureka moment. But I don't think that was on the road to Damascus. I think that was some Greek guy in his bath. And I think it was St. Paul on the road to Damascus. Oh, right. Epiphany. Is that what I mean? Or is that just after Christmas? Right. Okay. So now the theory is that you sew along these dotted lines in the direction of the arrow. So let's go and give that a go. Or maybe just 1.4 or 1.6. Let's go for 1.4. Okay. Here goes. So we've got to sew down this line. It makes funny noise. Probably should have put a new needle in, but we'll have a go. This is only the first attempt, come on. Going around this way now then. Okay. That's that one. We'll go this way now. Oh, it's tiny stitches. Okay, so we'll go this one. Makes my eyes go a bit cross-eyed. I think I've done them all. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, okay. Right, that's the back. Right, next thing to do is to cut on the solid lines and tear away the paper. This is the moment of truth. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but let's, oh, I feel a bit nervous using my fabric scissors for this. Cut on solid lines. Okay. All right. I guess you could maybe do this with a rotary cutter. I don't know. Right, so okay, cut on solid lines. So we've got to cut that in half. And cut that in half. Okay, I think this could be make or break. Tear away the paper. Oh, that's okay, that worked all right. Tear away the paper and oh, look at that. Oh, yes. See if this one's as good. Yes. I'm really pleased with those. Oh, right, let's cut this one in half as well. I honestly think this could be my new thing. I have a lot of new things actually. Yesterday it was the sew tights. Today it's these. Oh, they've worked out so well. I'm really pleased. That was actually a lot easier than I thought. They've all come out great. Right.